how to apply for a job on LinkedIn. So if you want to apply for a job on LinkedIn, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to just go with your browser or your Google, search for LinkedIn, go with linkedin.com, and make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've logged in, you can go with the top right, which has that three dots, and you need to go with the desktop site. After turning on your desktop site, now if you want to apply or look for a job, you need to just go with the job section, which is on the top. Tap on jobs. Once you tap on jobs, now here on the left side, you will have my jobs, or you can also go with search, which is on the top left. Tap on search, and here you need to search for a job. So for example, if I go with video editor, then here as you can see that these are all of the job applications, and here you need to just go with a job, and after that you can tap on easy apply if you want to apply for that job. Now you need to enter the information like the email address, the country code, the mobile number, and after entering your information you can go with next, which is on the bottom right, and that's it. That's how you can apply for a job on LinkedIn. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.